It does indeed. Alligators, wild boar. This is always my favorite. You have a rocket in your front windshield. Say, hey, I'm getting ready to fly on that. There it is. There it is, guys. There's our ride.
Yeah, definitely an exhilarating feeling right now as they're coming up that incline in view of their rocket. It's getting real right now, Daryl.
Yep. It's getting real again.
Again. You know, like you said, more clouds today, but they're really gorgeous in that image that we just had there, aren't they? Make for some spectacular photos, I think, of a liftoff.
Absolutely. We have lots of press out here, very talented photographers who document the launch and the
Core
liftoff.
on countdown. Crew have arrived at the pad on schedule. T-minus 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go SpaceX, go NASA Crew-10. Copy, 1 Alpha.
And liftoff of Crew-10 now
Vehicle
soaring to
pitching
the International
downrange.
Space Station. 1.7.
Main engine cutoff.
SpaceX Dragon, 2 Alpha.
Stage separation confirmed.
Copy, 2 Alpha.
Great call-outs and incredible views there on your left-hand screen. On your left-hand screen, you can see a view from stage 1. And an extremely excited crowd here in Hawthorne.
Continuing to fire.
This is an awesome view. Let's see if we can see the center engine relight for that landing burn here in a few seconds. There's that landing burn. Let's watch as Falcon 9 touches down on landing zone 1.
Stage 2 SES complete.
And the crowd here is excited to see Falcon 9 touch down on landing zone. .15 seconds is what we're expecting. And we're preparing for stabilizing the second stage so that we can have a smooth separation.
And there you can see on the left-hand side of your screen, the crowd is going wild. There on your screen you can see that Dragon separation, that second stage making its way, and Dragon is now flying free. 10 minutes into today's flight, that was about a minute after we had that second engine cutoff and orbital insert 4:03 p.m. Pacific. There you're getting an over-the-shoulder view between the commander and pilot, so Anne McLean and Nichole Ayers.
You are seeing the docking light begin to blink at the center of Dragon Endurance. Features of Dragon becoming a little bit more apparent. The nose cone fully open, exposing the docking ring.
From the Dragon Endurance, carrying the Crew-10 crew, the forward docking port there is in the center of your screen, sort of being illuminated every few seconds by that light from Dragon. And what I love about this is you can see the Crew-9 Dragon directly above that docking port.
Traveling with a range rate of less than 0.082, which, as you mentioned earlier, it continues to get slower and slower as we make this final approach.
Pretty good. 5 meters.
Copy, 5 meters.
So the next call we should hear is chop, or that crew hands-off period, followed moments later by docking.
That typically comes at about 2 meters away from the International Space Station. Right now we're less than 4 meters away. Less than 3 meters away.
Pretty good. 2 meters. Please hands off.
Copy, hands off.
There is the chop call.
Standing by for initial contact of Dragon to the International Space Station.
Dragon contact and soft capture complete.
And there you heard Dragon has successfully docked to the International Space Station. We have contact and soft capture confirmed.